If you're planning to apply for U.S. citizenship and naturalization, watch this video until the end because a new memo was released by USCIS that defines new, stricter rules for good moral character for NATs. How to make sure they think you're a person that brings positive attributes to the U.S. American society as a new citizen. So it's not going to be enough anymore that you didn't commit a crime, no crimes, and paid taxes. No, no, no. Now you're going to have to show that you're bringing a positive contribution to American society. And they will be looking at your whole life as a review and a holistic approach and not just your criminal records. Here is how you can prove your positive contribution to society. Number one, applicants must show proof of volunteering or some type of community service, maybe leadership at work. Two, supporting your family members, taking care of children, elderly, sick relatives. Three, attending school, enrolling in school, or doing a training program, education. Next, holding down a steady legal job. Don't be working in a marijuana processing plant. The U.S. government still considers marijuana, pot, weed illegal and a trafficked controlled substance. So it's still illegal to do that kind of work. Next, you have to pay taxes on time. No IRS debt. No debt generally. No bankruptcy. You follow U.S. laws and rules. Not too many traffic tickets. If you have multiple traffic tickets, bad. You might not get citizenship. If you have multiple arrests, even if most of them get dismissed, you're going to have a difficult time getting citizenship. If you have more than 2 driving while intoxicated, DUI, or driving high arrest, it's going to be a huge problem. And finally, to summarize, you have to show you have a full-time job or a part-time job and taking care of family with consistent tax returns as always has been. They will be looking more strict at problems such as serious crimes convictions like violent felonies or, God forbid, murder or robbery. They will be looking stricter at even conditional bars like DUIs, drug charges, lying about immigration status, or voting in federal elections when you're only a green card holder. You're not allowed to vote unless you're a U.S. citizen. Also, you can overcome these conditional things, but if you have repeated traffic violations, harassment, unpaid debts, it's going to be a problem, and you're going to have to show rehabilitation by documents, and they might request these documents. They might also do a check of your neighborhood, go speak to your neighbors about you, and your workplace. They might reach out to your boss and to your coworkers and community members to check on your good moral character. Officers might also ask you to bring letters of support or recommendation letters, again, about your moral character. An example could be a neighbor might be asked if you are respected and a law-abiding citizen. I hope this information is useful for you. Make sure that you have all this and be proactive about showing good moral character. Pay off your debts. Volunteer consistently. Go to church, synagogue, or a mosque and be active. All these things will help you become a U.S. citizen. And if you have any issues, give us a call today. Book your consultation right now.